The DumperDogg from Buyers Products is a dump insert that fits right into the bed of your pickup. It gives you hydraulic dumping power without needing a dedicated dump truck. Perfect for landscapers, contractors, or anyone moving heavy loads. In this video, we'll walk through the full install so you can see what's involved start to finish.
Okay. Found it. Well, you gotta fit the head through. The head of what? I can see the flappy you're pushing off. They want to come off.
Stop. Back up some. Well, keep going down, but slow.
Perfect. Carry on.
It's because your beams aren't sitting in between the rails, the flats on the bed.
I'll put it out. 5 1/4.
Have a great day.
It's gonna be on the metal.
You're gonna punch that when you get. There you go. There you go. Just so it doesn't fall down any further. Hand torque it.
It's already done.
Oh, you already did that.
We're wired up.
Oh,
We're ready to go.
now we just do this.
Tap.
She's ready. Not that easy. That's it.
That's the full DumperDogg install, a simple way to turn your pickup into a fully functional dump truck. The insert is powered by a hydraulic pump. It can handle up to 6,000 pounds and fits most full-size pickup beds. It's built from steel with a powder coat finish, so it's ready for heavy use season after season. If you'd like more info, check out Cape Fear Customs for details and availability. Thanks for watching.